if you want to add a fingerprint on your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, what you can do is you can open Settings. Next in Settings, we're gonna scroll down to find Security and Privacy, and then in here, open Device Unlock option. Now we have fingerprints, so you can go ahead and open this option, enter your screen lock password, and if you don't have screen lock password, you will be asked to set it up first. So then we're gonna scroll all the way down and you want to choose I agree, and then we can press start. By the way, if you have screen protected, then you can choose setup with screen protector over here. So let's press start, and now we need to touch and hold our finger on the fingerprint sensor. So I'm gonna touch and hold, then we need to lift and then touch again, and again, and again. And of course we want to try to touch it from different angles, because obviously when we are unlocking our phone, we are trying to, sometimes we do this at different angles, we place our finger on different angles. And sometimes we get some additional tips, like now we can tilt our finger and touch with the tip, because it is of course also quite relevant. Sometimes we touch it with the side of our finger, so this is why we need to scan as much of our finger as possible. So we need to keep doing this until we feel this circle. Now we can use the left edge, there we go, then the right edge. Let's try, there we go. And it is done. Of course, if you want to, you can add another fingerprint by choosing this option in the bottom left corner. You can of course scan the same finger twice just to be sure that it is set up properly. And if you are done, just press done in the bottom right corner. You might also see the option to set up face unlock immediately after that. So if you want to, you can go ahead and choose I agree, but if not, we can choose no thanks. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.